Although we've touched on this multiple times and you've written a number of functions that do this, let's just quickly return to this idea of returning multiple objects. So I'm just going to write something called get multiple pets, and let's do pet 1, pet 2, pet 3, pet 4. And we're not going to do anything really magical with this. We're just going to return all of them. And I will return them in the order that I put them in. And let's print get multiple pets, and let's do parakeet. I don't know how to spell parakeet, paratrooper, which I guess could be someone's pet, and a mud puppy. Mud putty. How about a mud putty? Let's run that. And oh, what do I have? What is going on there? Expected end of file. Oh, closing paren. Gets you every time. Parrot, parakeet, paratrooper, mud putty. Now, notice that this is in the form of a tuple. And this is just to remind you, nope, don't need to cast that's tuple. I'm just going to write type. This is just to remind you, functions return tuples. And we can see that. It's a class tuple. Now, what if we only return pet 1? I'm just going to comment out this. And let's see what it returns now. It's a string. So it won't return, if there's only one return, it's returning whatever the type is of that value, right? It's returning a string in this case. But as soon as you have more than one object being returned, then it is a tuple. And that's just something to recognize. Although we've seen it before, just do it one more time because it'll take just a split second. We can unpack a tuple like so. This is more often what I do, although you could make a pets object, and then you've got pets of 0, pets of 1, pets of 2, pets of 3. So either way works. I think it's nice to be, it's nice to be explicit at times. It just depends on the code you're writing, how you're going about setting all this up. And yeah, I think that's it on returning multiple objects. Yeah, pretty straightforward.